Shanaaz has got very much a business background, and I've got more of an IT background. And then we decided to get married and have kids and build a house and build a company. And so the engagement that we've had in figuring that out strongly parallels a typical business versus IT worldview, given that she's a chartered accountant who's done M&A work and high-flying kind of stuff, and I'm more a seat of your pants, figure it out as you go kind of person. And so in figuring out our relationship and our interactions, there's a strong parallel that we've modeled in terms of how business and IT interact. And by extracting that model and generalizing it, we were able, I hope, to generate a few learnings for people today.
What I believe we'd like the delegates to have walked away thinking about is how they can interact with each other, and how the containers of business and IT are no longer useful, that in an organization, internalizing your own personal agility is where an organizational and team agility come from. Interacting with each other is about assessing each other's needs, understanding those, and determining a collaborative way to move forward.
If I had one message for the Agile community, it would probably be to stop doing Agile, and it's a cliche at this point, but being Agile, in the sense that there is a whole world of learning out there beyond just the Agile literature. There's lean, complexity, queuing theory. There was a fantastic talk earlier from Deming. You know, we tend to think that we're just figuring out this stuff now, but actually it's been figured out again and again and again for hundreds of years. And there's so much interesting and rich, dense material that you can actually get to if you just look beyond this frame of this is Agile or this is not Agile.
Something further I'd like to add is the personal agility model. Change over time is inevitable, and we need to find out what is the ING, what are we doing to re-engage every single time we interact with someone who we've had intermittent contact with, in business, in our personal relationships. How are we internalizing that and bringing that into our lives on an ongoing, continuous basis, so that we have more rewarding interactions?